Here's how to fix the Steam overlay not working in games on your PC. Step 1. Run Steam as administrator. Start by closing Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator allows the overlay to hook properly into games without being blocked by Windows. Step 2. Clear Steam download cache. If the overlay is still not working, clear the Steam download cache. Open Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the left panel. Click Clear Download Cache. Steam will notify you that you will be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your account once prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted data that can interfere with Steam overlay components. Step 3. Repair Steam service. If the overlay is still not working, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type and press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing the Steam service fixes background components required for Steam overlay functionality. After completing these steps, the Steam overlay should work properly inside games. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.